Hello. The purpose of this video is to try to explain to one of our number how to first create an assignment and then deploy the assignment, because they're two distinct stages which, because we tend to do them one after another, can get wrapped together. Okay, so the person that had this question was creating a wiki. So let's go ahead and go up to Tools and add a wiki. And you can see here that these are wikis that I've already created. So if I wanted just to put the wiki that I'd already created into this page at this place, I could just click link to a wiki and pop in one that I'd already, already created. Okay, so one thing I usually do with something like this is change the title text to blue, because people tend to identify blue with something to click on. And when you create an assignment, you should, especially at the beginning of a class, say something like click on the title above, and that will indicate to the students how to get to their assignment. That was also a question that came up: how do my students get to the assignment? And it's by clicking on that title. So either write that in or change the title to blue. After a couple of weeks, it won't matter, they'll know what to do. So make sure it's available as usual and submit. Okay, so that's how to add a wiki or something, same process for a blog or whatever you've already created. Now if you wanted to create a new wiki to put in here, we do the same process. Click on wikis under tools, and this time, instead of clicking on one that's already created, and you may have to scroll down to find this button, it's usually hidden because the size of our screen is a little bit lower. Click on create new wiki, and I'm just going to call this new wiki creation, and new wiki, put something in there so it's not just blank. And then we're going to make sure it's available, what kind of participation, what kind of grading. So you click on this, put 100 points, whatever it is, and submit. Okay, so now this takes you to the second part of how to put this particular wiki onto your page. This is the part we just did before with this wiki, How to Survive Online Teaching, but we have to do the same thing again to link to the wiki, to deploy it onto your page. So we're going to this is the one I've just created, and next. My link information. Again, I'm going to turn this to blue. Make sure it's available and submit. Okay, so you see now this one is created there. So it's a two-step process to create an assignment or a wiki or a blog or a journal, and then to make sure that it's deployed on a particular page. Now if we wanted say I wanted to do the same wiki for some reason in another week, you can do the same thing and use the one that's already created. So if I was to create a new page here, for example, choose that one I've just created and go back to wikis now. You see I get back to the same page, and now I can put that wiki I've just created in this page as well. So I hope this explains this two-part sort of create and deploy process that goes on in Blackboard. And submit. Okay, so I hope that has clarified and not further confused the person that was asking, and maybe some of the others of you who are having the same issue with the creation and deployment. It may help clarify more than written instructions could do. Okay, thanks.